What up, guys? It's Boosted92 and I'm back with the video. Today I'm gonna be doing a Cletus style video. Whenever he blew up, he did turbo whistles versus a Corvette. Today I'm gonna do turbo whistles from Temu versus a turbo car two-step edition. So what we're going to be doing is setting up the two-step. Be more the guy helping me with my tune. If you've watched my previous videos, you've seen, go subscribe to him. He set up my two-step at 4,000 RPM. So we're going to go make sure it's there, maybe bump it up to 4,200 or something. I want it to be rowdy, so we're about to put the turbo whistles in there and see if it can withhold on a turbo car. This is for educational purposes only. Don't do this if you're not a professional. 88mm turbo. It's a 5.3. If you don't know the setup, go and watch this video. That explains my setup. That was a while back. Things have changed, but for the most part, it's still the same. 88mm turbo, 5-inch exhaust, 96mm turbine on the exhaust side. That's the setup with this turbo. It is a 5.3, but it's gonna be rowdy. So, all right, let's set this thing up. This is also my first time listening to this two-step. I kind of tried it earlier, but I haven't really gave it full throttle. Turn it on. I am concerned about my neighbors though. I feel like they're gonna say something. They might call the cops on me. I hope not. See how it sounds just normal without the turbo whistles. Let's see if those turbo whistles can withstand the fireballs and the popping of a two-step. I reviewed the footage. This thing is rowdy, bro. I don't think I should be doing this here in my driveway, to be honest, because if I just keep it floored like I want, it's like really loud and it sounds like gunshots. Thinking I might have to go somewhere else, but you guys heard it without that. Let me know what y'all think. It's pretty rowdy, but I think I need to lean into it a little more. I'm gonna think about it for the next about 5 minutes and then I'm gonna make my decision. All right, guys, I actually left to go to a different location to film this, but there was a lot of people there, and also I forgot the tool I needed, the impact, to put those on. It's kind of hot. Five-inch fender exit with 5 turbo whistles, Temu turbo whistles. Let's see how this goes. Let's go. I think we have another issue. I think we have a different issue. Y'all hear that? That does not sound good. Let me take these off. I don't think it's that. All right, those are off. Yeah, we have an issue. We have a major issue. All right, it's the next day. So I ordered a new alternator and I'm about to install it. I got both bolts out. All right, I got it off, about to swap it over. All right, it's on. It looks good. Got to get the serpentine belt back on, and then we're gonna get to this two-step test, man. It's on and it's running good. All right, so now that that's fixed, we can go back to two-stepping and see what it does. So I'm probably gonna do a practice two-step without the turbo whistles, and then I'm gonna slap the turbo whistles on and we'll get the final test. I don't want to hold it too long. You guys saw yesterday how it sounds. I kind of want to wait till I have the turbo whistles on there to start really leaning into it. Let's get those things on right now and let's see what happens. Yeah. Imagine riding down the street with this. People will give you some crazy looks. Bro, that was insane. I didn't even see it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know where's the 5th one? It could have just, oh, there it is. Look at the carnage. Ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Bro, what the heck? This is crazy. Let me know what y'all think, man. That slow motion, I haven't seen it yet. I haven't edited the video, so I don't know how it is. I just reviewed the footage. It's pretty crazy. These things were on site. They even bent, like, you guys can see. Look at the pipe isn't that thick. I mean, the pipe isn't that thin, you know, like that was grabbing onto the pipe at one point. I didn't put any of these super, like, look at those gaps. I tightened these down good. Like, I couldn't move them. You guys saw me test them. They flew. I hope y'all like that slow motion. I was curious, you know, as a very strong Cletus supporter, and I've always wondered what two-step would have done to a turbo whistle, and I found out today. It explodes them. You can see they're everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. I can't do too much more. My wife texted me saying it sounds like explosions and gunshots and that someone's probably gonna call the cops, so I'm gonna just end it there. So that's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned. I'm about to take this thing at night somewhere, see how that two-step looks at night, and we're gonna do a lot of videos now that it's running. It's fast, it's fun, it sounds crazy. We might go to car meets, two-step, all that. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all subscribe if y'all like the video. Like and comment, please share. I'm really trying to start doing this more seriously. I'm gonna try to do 1 video a week starting now. So thank y'all for tuning in. Peace.